Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, Online Luke. Thanks for coming back to another video in my little series of mistakes that I made starting in my arbitrage and private label business. I'm chuckling to myself. These videos are about honesty and transparency, so I feel like I should tell you. I have just walked the whole width of the field over here and the one back there, probably about 15 minutes. It is -6, so -5, -6. So I've got a really cold hand. I thought I was doing a video for you guys, for the channel, and I actually had it on camera. So being transparent, yes, I just walked around for 15 minutes completely talking to myself with the camera on. Okay, so we're on video now. Let's just check. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay guys, so this is another mistake I'm sharing. Another mistake I'm sharing with you guys to help you out in your own businesses, and also to help me sort of moving forward, to make sure that I've got my stuff in order. I don't make the same mistakes again. I don't mind making a mistake once. It's cool. I can learn from that and adapt. But one of my big things is don't make the same mistake twice. I think they call that a choice. So, oh, sorry, we've got frozen water. Good stuff. So, this one is going to be really obvious. A lot of these are really obvious, but they're only obvious afterwards when you're kind of looking at them from a distance and after you made the mistake. Because at the time, I obviously didn't realise, and I just kept making the same mistake on this front. This mistake is all about knowing your numbers. That's not so much, although it's important, not so much like R&I and profit. The early stages when you're just starting your business, as I was starting my business, I was, like I said in the last video, desperate to get out of what I was doing, desperate to make money, desperate to make it work. So that meant I ignored a few things. You know, not proud to say it, but I did. I ignored a few things. Now, starting from like scratch, if you're doing arbitrage, if you've got, for example, a business account, a business banking account, which I assume you have, to start selling on Amazon, seriously, has that got a fee? Not all have, but some have a fee. So, there's an example of a fee you've got every month before you've done anything. Second one is your Amazon account, a seller account. There's a fee every month for that. That needs to be on your sheet. You need to take that into consideration. Let's assume you're sourcing manually. I've got a couple of videos on manual sourcing, so feel free to check those out. So that's sourcing's okay. I've got to assume you've got. I've done videos on having too much software before. So let's assume you've got a basic deal analysis tool, whether it's Buybot Pro or something else. So that there's another fee there. So already we could be up to, depending on what software option you've got for that and what your bank is, but you could be up to say let's say £70 a month here already. And this is before you've bought any products, any boxes, any tape, anything like that. So just something to be aware from that very first moment you start. Something I overlooked. Just, I know these are obvious, but I messed up. So just, going to share them. The other thing is taking money out of the business. Once I was probably 6 months in and I was making a fairly decent profit, by which I mean probably £500 to £800 profit in a month. Bear in mind I started slowly, I started steady. That's a lot of money on the side, £600. You can't live off it, but when you've already got a wage and all of a sudden you've got £600 profit in a business on the side, you do, well I did, kind of think, oh wow, we can get this at home, we can get this done fixed at home, or oh, the car needs this, we can do it with that, and it's fine, the business is doing this every month. Well, what I didn't think of clearly was the business won't be doing that next month. if you keep taking it out. What I should have done is just reinvest. You know, yes, there's profit this month. Well, let's put it into next month. And you know, the £600 profit this month, if I put it back into the business, next month it could be another 600, or you know, whatever. Reinvest, build the foundations. Don't get like I did, blindsided by the excitement of it working and money coming in, because it will, and it does. But in order to be consistent and for it to keep growing, you've got to keep putting it in. Just take it steady, keep reinvesting, keep watering that tree, and let it grow. So the other thing was, I didn't even look at my bank statements. I would see profit was being made, and then I would quite literally just ignore everything else. I know it sounds silly now, I know it does, but when I open my banking app on my phone, you know, I'd hit my fingerprint on the button, and sometimes I'd cover the balance up with my hand because I didn't want to see any mistakes that I might have made, because I knew in the back of my mind, perhaps I shouldn't have taken that money out, perhaps I shouldn't have done this, perhaps I shouldn't have done that, so I wouldn't look at it. Okay, so if I can share anything, and I know if you're already in business, this all sounds so obvious and you're probably chuckling at me, but it's just about me being honest to help out, and to ensure I don't make these mistakes again. Be honest about your numbers from the get-go. A simple spreadsheet, write down before you've even bought anything what your business is going to cost you a month before you've done anything, just so you know. Be honest, check your statements. Have I overspent? Have I not bought enough? Just know, be honest. And just keep reinvesting, keep putting it back in. So there's kind of three highlight takeaways for me there. Treat your business as if you're the accountant. It's silly, because you are. You hear a lot of people say, oh, I've got to go and see the accountant today. Oh. But if you're being honest in your business and putting things aside when you should put them aside, then seeing the accountant shouldn't be a horrible chore, because you already know what's coming. Okay? Hope it's helpful, guys. I'm going to keep spitting them out, because hopefully there'll be one of the videos that you'll just say to yourself, perhaps, oh, yeah, you know, I was about to do that, or, you know, I'm not implementing that myself. And it's helpful. That's all we can do, isn't it? Help each other out. Excellent. Thanks for watching, guys. I've got a really cold hand now, because that's now probably 20 minutes in minus conditions with no glove on this hand. So I hope it's been worth it. Have a good day, guys. Work hard. Enjoy yourself. Keep moving forward. Take care. Bye.